Hi, my name is Patrick, and this is to tell you about the MBA entrance exam that you can write to get into top B schools. A lot of people looking at different exams now. So I look at the exams where you can apply to get into top B schools in India. So this is some of them which is there. So obviously the top comes as CAT. Most of the top institutes do take up CAT. It includes IIMs, FMS, SP Jain, IITs, and so on. So among the top colleges, you can definitely say IIMs are among the top. You have FMS as we said. You have SP Jain which is there. You have IITs which are there. MDI Gurgaon, which is there, and so on. So among most of the top institutes do take up CAT, and there are many more colleges among the top which take up CAT. So these are some of the colleges. XAT. You have XLRI, which is among the top 5 colleges which accept XAT. But there are other good colleges like XAM Bhubaneswar and other colleges like Goa Institute of Management which do accept XAT examination. So it's also one of the good options to write on. Also, XAT is an exam for MICA, one of the exams to qualify for MICA. So you can write CAT or XAT and then write the MyCAT exam. So I think it's a good option. I mean, apart from CAT, XAT is the only exam which is accepted by one of the top 5 colleges in India. So that means definitely write it. Use a good backup option for CAT. Helps to reduce pressure. SNAP. I would say Symbiosis, SIBM Pune would be one of our top 20 colleges. And even SCM HRD Pune, it would be around near the top 20 colleges. I mean, these are the 2 colleges which are good. They have other colleges as well, right from SIBM Bangalore, SIIB, SIOM or such, which is average. But these 2 are around. I mean, SIBM Pune definitely top 15, maybe SCMHRD top 20 around. So these are the 2 colleges which you can look at for top colleges in through Symbiosis now. NMAT, NN Mumbai is obviously among the top 15 colleges in India. Okay. Exam Bhubaneswar accepts NMAT for the HR course. KG Soma accepts for their colleges. So these are some of the other colleges. But NM Mumbai would definitely come as far as the top college. I mean, among the top 20 colleges in India. So I'm looking at the top 20 colleges where you can apply to, and these are the exams that you can write. CTS, you have JBIMS, which is definitely there among the top 10. You have also Sidnem will come second, maybe little gap, but CET. If you're not from Maharashtra, you can also write other exams like CMAT, etc. to qualify for JBIMS, etc. So CET is another exam which is there. TIS, if you're interested in HR, TIS is one of the top colleges for HR. They have other courses as well, which are interesting. You can look at it. They're varied courses, specifically for medical students, etc. But yeah, the HR course is supposed to be one of the best. I mean, next just to XLRI and TIS are supposed to be top 2 HR colleges in India. Less intake, but can apply if you're interested in HR. GMAT, I would say for ISB. The other colleges do accept GMAT, right from the executive MBA program, etc. But ISB do accept GMAT, and you have a few other like IIM Kozhikode, some of the courses out there do accept GMAT course. So you can maybe look out for GMAT as an option. Only thing it's expensive, so only if you're serious about the colleges you can look at it. But yeah, they're good colleges that take up GMAT. If you have more than 5 years experience, then yeah, GMAT becomes one of the important exams that you write. MyCAT is for MICA as a college, but you have to write CAT, XAT, and then maybe MyCAT, either CAT or XAT and MyCAT. So yes, MICA is an exam which you can write. If you're interested in marketing, then MICA is a good college to go about it, right? And then you have CMAT. CMAT is written is the last option. I mean, normally anyway held in February, March after all the exams are held. There are not any top colleges that accept, but there are a lot of average colleges that do accept CMAT. I mean, CMAT, because it's the All India examination, is accepted by quite a few colleges. The problem is it's conducted quite late, so most of the top colleges admissions are over. So for you, if you've not got admissions till the CMAT is conducted, it can be an option for a backup, right? So these are the exams that you can look at based on your interest, based on what you're looking for. It is good to write multiple exams because if you don't do well in one exam, it is always possible that you'll do in some other exam because each exam has a little different phase and it also depends on the day you write the exam to some extent, right? Look at the options, do research on it, and then decide which colleges you want to apply to. Thank you.